I thought that making your own GPS track was a bit more difficult. Morning everybody, here's another beautiful day for a ride. It's about 28-29 degrees and it's full sun, so it's quite hot. Yesterday I was sitting in front of my computer and was planning to make myself a track, a GPS track that I could follow, just for the test if I'm able to do it. And there is an app here in Poland that you can use and check if your route is legal. I was trying to get as much as possible off-road or some dirt roads, but that's nowadays here in Poland it's quite impossible to get the whole of the track to be on the dirt. Here's my GPS track, as you can see, and I'm gonna try to follow it for the next few hours. It says it's 4 hours and 36 minutes, 208 kilometers. So let's hit the road. For the start, it's quite pleasant here in the forest. It's Sunday, so there will be quite a lot of people using those roads for some hiking, jogging and cycling. First dirt part was quite nice, wasn't long. Now the other ones will be much longer. Got a second part. It's gonna be bumpy, yeah, same thing as on the first one, but it's nice that it's in a shaded place, like a small part of forest. I hope it stays so for a bit longer. It's a very pleasant ride. It's getting a bit denser. I think the track is gonna be a bit sandy because it's quite dry. Although it was raining for a few days, till yesterday actually. Oh, there's some place to play. Oh, a pile of, fertilizer. What a smell, especially in the full sun. Short break to let the train through. Yeah, I'm on the edge of the national park. From here, that direction, there's a part of the national park. Oh, it's quite hot. There's some puddles. Whoa, that was close. Quite slippery, didn't expect that. Bit of shade, some hard stuff, all the bugs. That's a very pleasant path. You do smell the woods. Nice, very nice. I think this part's gonna be more like a highway. A field of potatoes. Oh, that's what the Voyabot chip is famous for. It's called the underground oranges. Supposed to go here, left. That's where I'm supposed to go? Yeah, I think so. Or not. Oh, no. The other one. There's another one a few meters in front of me. Solar panels, quite a lot of them, and quite a lot of potholes on the road. Whoa! That was a big one. Right or right left? I should be going there. My mistake again. Do have to go over there. I think this will be the most challenging part to now. A bit sandy, but I hope it won't be so bad. Come on. Come on. No. Yeah, we made it. Oh, there's another sandy patch in front of me. I don't think it's gonna be so bad. No, it isn't. I think I'm wrong. Yeah, I'm wrong again. Should be going here. Ooh. No. Yeah, I should be going here. Ah, shade. Thank you. Let's say a bit longer over here. Ah, that's nice. Very nice. I'm going over the track, so I'm gonna stay somewhere in the shade for a minute. Ah, there's a train. A cargo one. An empty one. Another nice, cool part. Oh, some potholes. It was raining here yesterday, probably. Got a constant feeling in my mouth. Now I've got some sand in it. Oh, oh crap. That smells awful. That pile of crap I just went by. My aging process has just stopped from that smell. Where to? No. I'm supposed to go there. There's a private property. It is leading me over there. Let's try to go there. There was a track some days ago. Okay, don't like the high grass because I cannot see what's underneath it. There might be a big pothole, but you won't be able to see it. And you could go over your handlebars in a second. I do prefer to do it over the grassy lanes. It's much safer for me. At least I can see what's on the ground. A few kilometers through the fields, now here in a bit of forest. Some kind of heavy machinery goes through here. And there's another big puddle in front of me. Maybe I'm gonna avoid it on the left side. Yeah, that's it. The road is disappearing. There is a castle nearby, so I think I'm gonna stop there, make a break, and maybe fly at the drone. There's the church, and here's the castle. Speedy, I cannot enter. There is a tower. Well, I could get on. Let's see the view from above. 2 stories up, so I've got some energy left to do that. There's some info cards. What kind of birds can you see around here? Very nice view, but yeah, it should be a bit higher. Okay, let's go down and try not to fall from the stairs. I think they built the tower because this part over here, wild bird reserves, and that's what the tower is for. Yeah, got a itsy bitsy spider. A typical village buildings and a cat in the middle of a road. Some poppy flowers. Bit bumpy over here. Yes, we're back on the dirt. Come on, donkey. Whoa, not into the tree. I thought that making your own GPS track was a bit more difficult, but I think I did well. I've got 65 kilometers left. Till now I just had 3 issues with legality of the track, so I think it isn't bad, because the rest is probably on the legal side. I'm not getting into someone's property, not getting into the national forests, because you're not allowed to go over there with your vehicle. I think that's went quite well till now, of course. We'll see in 65 kilometers. Hello. You're a cutie. Bit overgrown with the hair. I think it's a alpaca. Don't know. Whoa! That was a hard one. There should be a dam over here. On my right. Just about now. I think I was here once. Yeah, I've been here once. And I did flew with my drone over there and it fell down somewhere over there. Let's go. Very overgrown. And blocked. Let's see if I'm able to go around it somewhere. There's some path. Let's see over here. And it was an old tree. Just fell. Donkey. Got a mission to bypass it. It's doable. It must have happened lately. It's a very nice overgrown road. It would be a shame to go somewhere around on the tarmac. Now there's another one that's is hanging very low. Don't fall now, please. Thank you. There's another one. It's a road full of surprises. Oh, another overgrown path. Okay, let's be careful because there might be some fallen trees. Yeah, that's the thing. Whoa, oh, there's a rabbit. Get out of the way. Hey, mate. It's just changing the lanes. Ah, he's in a hurry. He's fast. Come on, come on. Whoa, not under the wheel. That was close. I thought the part a few kilometers before was the last one on dirt, but what a surprise. We've got another part. A kilometer of it. I think this one is going to be the last one. Made it to the place where I started it today. I did whole loop, 208 kilometers. Quite a lot of it was on the dirt. There were a few mistakes on the track that I've made at home. In a few places I shouldn't be going through. I've marked them on the map and I'm gonna try to reroute that track. It was a very fun day, although it was hot. I did drink almost all the water from my backpack. Now it's time to go home. In a few days from now there is a long weekend here in Poland, so I'm gonna probably use it to go for the TED. I think I'm gonna finish it up for today. So if you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe down below. See you next time.